Question number 1. Amaravati is the capital of which state? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Telangana. Option C. Andhra Pradesh. Option D. Kerala. Answer. Option C. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 2. Itanagar is the capital of which state? Option A. Assam. Option B. Arunachal Pradesh. Option C. Manipur. Option D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer. Option B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 3. Dispur is the capital of which state? Option A. Manipur. Option B. Tripura. Option C. Himachal Pradesh. Option D. Assam. Answer. Option D. Assam. Question number 4. Kolkata is the capital of which state? Option A. West Bengal. Option B. Jharkhand. Option C. Bihar. Option D. Tripura. Answer. Option A. West Bengal. Question number 5. Patna is the capital of which state? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. Option B. Jharkhand. Option C. Bihar. Option D. Chhattisgarh. Answer. Option C. Bihar. Question number 6. Lucknow is the capital of which state? Option A. Uttarakhand. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Haryana. Option D. Gujarat. Answer. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 7. Agartala is the capital of which state? Option A. Tripura. Option B. Manipur. Option C. Goa. Option D. Sikkim. Answer. Option A. Tripura. Question number 8. Raipur is the capital of which state? Option A. Jharkhand. Option B. Odisha. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Chhattisgarh. Answer. Option D. Chhattisgarh. Question number 9. Panaji is the capital of which state? Option A. Tripura. Option B. Goa. Option C. Manipur. Option D. Sikkim. Answer. Option B. Goa. Question number 10. Chandigarh is the capital of which state? Option A. Punjab. Option B. Haryana. Option C. Bihar. Option D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer. Option A and option B. Punjab and Haryana. Question number 11. Ranchi is the capital of which state? Option A. Odisha. Option B. Bihar. Option C. Jharkhand. Option D. Chhattisgarh. Answer. Option C. Jharkhand. Question number 12. What is the capital of Odisha? Option A. Cuttack. Option B. Raulkela. Option C. Gangtok. Option D. Bhubaneswar. Answer. Option D. Bhubaneswar. Question number 13. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of which state? Option A. Karnataka. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Telangana. Option D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Option B. Kerala. Question number 14. Bangalore is the capital of which state? Option A. Karnataka. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Telangana. Option D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Option A. Karnataka. Question number 15. What is the capital of Nagaland? Option A. Aizawl. Option B. Thrissur. Option C. Jaipur. Option D. Kohima. Answer. Option D. Kohima. Question number 16. Imphal is the capital of which state? Option A. Assam. Option B. Manipur. Option C. Sikkim. Option D. Goa. Answer. Option B. Manipur. Question number 17. What is the capital of Mizoram? Option A. Aizawl. Option B. Shillong. Option C. Kohima. Option D. Bhopal. Answer. Option A. Aizawl. Question number 18. Bhopal is the capital of which state? Option A. Uttar Pradesh. Option B. Haryana. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Bihar. Answer. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 19. Hyderabad is the capital of which state? Option A. Andhra Pradesh. Option B. Telangana. Option C. Kerala. Option D. Karnataka. Answer. Option B. Telangana. Question number 20. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Option A. Delhi. Option B. Surat. Option C. Pune. Option D. Mumbai. Answer. Option D. Mumbai. Question number 21. Shillong is the capital of which state? Option A. Manipur. Option B. Sikkim. Option C. Meghalaya. Option D. Tripura. Answer. Option C. Meghalaya. Question number 22. Chennai is the capital of which state? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Andhra Pradesh. Option C. Kerala. Option D. Telangana. Answer. Option A. Tamil Nadu. Question number 23. Dehradun is the capital of which state? Option A. Uttarakhand. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Manipur. Option D. Sikkim. Answer. Option A. Uttarakhand. Question number 24. Jaipur is the capital of which state? Option A. Maharashtra. Option B. Madhya Pradesh. Option C. Haryana. Option D. Rajasthan. Answer. Option D. Rajasthan. Question number 25. What is the capital of Gujarat? Option A. Porbandar. Option B. Surat. Option C. Gandhinagar. Option D. Agra. Answer. Option C. Gandhinagar. Question number 26. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Option A. Imphal. Option B. Itanagar. Option C. Dispur. Option D. Simla. Answer. Option D. Simla. Question number 27. Yangtang is the capital of which state? Option A. Sikkim. Option B. Tripura. Option C. Bihar. Option D. Manipur. Answer. Option A. Sikkim.